you're making a Christmas journal for yourself or as a gift, or even if you want to sell journals, this video gives you tips and suggestions you need. Plus, using tools like Canva makes it super easy to create a journal for personal or commercial use and fast. You can even use our templates to make it easier. In this video, we'll talk about why you or your customers might want to keep a Christmas journal and the great benefits of doing so. Designing your Christmas journal with easy to use tools like Canva and templates also. Your options for printing your Christmas journal and how to get our journal and writing prompt templates to make it even easier. Let's dig in. The holidays offer endless opportunities for journals. They're a great way to plan and organize. They can offer stress relief, right? They're also a great way to preserve memories and reflect. And most importantly, they can be key in immersing oneself in the true and deeper meaning of the holiday. A Christmas journal can be a log where you capture holiday traditions, festive experiences, and cherish moments during the Christmas season. Christmas journals provide, kind of a nostalgic record of the joy, warmth, and unique celebrations shared with loved ones, serving as a sentimental reminder of holiday magic. Some prompts, you might want to have a variety of prompts in your Christmas journal to appreciate and keep a record of Christmas traditions and celebrations, inspire creative and thoughtful gift giving, cultivate gratitude and inner peace during the busy holidays. Prompts to appreciate friends and families during the holidays, or explore food traditions, new and old, of course. You could include pages to make a gift and shopping list, make a wish list for meal planning, to keep track of events, whatever your heart desires. Our Canva template makes it easy, as you've got a cover you can completely customize and some unique page templates to work with. Journaling is a very personal thing, so it's up to you what you want. Some people prefer free writing pages, some want simple writing prompts, and others want more structured pages. Maybe what you want is a combination of all those things. So I'll come back to editing the Canva journal in shortly. But we also, to come up with prompts to include in your journal, we have a 300 prompt collection that you can also pick up. They range from, very simple 1 or 2 word prompts to just, get people to think. And they, and then range to more guided prompts. So back to editing in Canva, and you can start from scratch and do your own thing too, but just a little overview of what you can do. So we do have this fully customizable cover, and if you're not familiar with Canva, if you go over to here, once you have the template open and go to position, you will see all the different elements that are on this page. So you can reorder things, move them more easily. You can also just cover everything, drag and drop it as much as you'd like. You can add text. You can add a text box, right? When you go like this, it adds, whoops, I did it twice. You could put perhaps, customize it, Mary's Christmas journal. You can drag and drop the font to be bigger. You could change the color, whatever you'd like. If you'd like to have different images, you can search for anything you'd like. You might want to get more specific than just Christmas, but you can see there's lots of different elements. You could add some snowflakes, and here you might want to put this in behind because it looks a little strange in front. So we can also delete this one, which I added by accident. Then you could take the to-do list template, the generic template, and turn it into something you want. I still have all the layers open so you can see everything that's involved with here, and you can move it. You can stretch. These are shapes that can be stretched where you see these little things. That means that it can be stretched in different ways. So you can totally customize it. Sometimes when it's an image, right, you can only stretch the whole thing out. This actually, you can do taller and shorter with the shapes in Canva. So we could do something like, like this Christmas. Maybe remove the date because it's, unless it's we could leave the date. Maybe it's something you're doing on a particular day, or maybe it's, it's a list of gifts. We could do menu, the Christmas menu. This could be the events that are involved in Christmas, and cards that need to be done. So you could print it out, the customer could print it out and put whatever there. You can obviously change the colors of everything. So if you go here and you want like a little more festive color, it has the green. It shows you here at the top, it shows you the green that is it is already in the cover. So you can go like that and change it. And then if you want to change anything that was that color to that green, you can do that by clicking that change all in the bottom. Again, you can add little Christmas elements, whatever you'd like. Maybe you'd want to put something like this in the corner. Overall, you can change the look and feel of any of the pages with, drag and drop ease, as you can see. When it comes to printing, you can, you have a few options. You can print it yourself and place it in a binder, which is nice because it's inexpensive, but it also allows you to easily add pages and put them in the order you want. So if you're like repeating certain pages, you can put them all together. If you sell journals, many customers love printable journals for this very reason, and you can just sell them as a download. You can also have them printed locally, if it's just for your, like as a Staples or some local print shop, if it's for your own use or a small run of gifts for friends or clients. Canva also has printing options, and places like Staples can do the comb binding for you and actually bind it up for you as well if you prefer. Now, if you're shipping and printing for customers using a print-on-demand service like Printify, Printful, Guten, or Lulu, probably makes more sense because they'll print your journals and ship them as you make orders. So, and it's can be an automated process that gets incorporated into the platform you're selling from. If you'd like to make easy work of creating your journal, we do welcome you to grab the, ready to publish or edit journal, Canva journal, and the 300 writing prompts that can help you put together a more custom journal. The links are at the end of this video and in the description, and we look forward to helping you make your most awesome journal.